Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be sharing 15 healthy habits that you need in your life ASAP, because I feel that people really underestimate the power of small little things they do every day, but trust me, they do make a huge difference in long run. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so one thing that I do right after waking up is that I smile. It just makes you feel that your day is gonna be a lot better. It relaxes you, and actually, that's a very good reason to smile. You are waking up that day, so why not smile? Second habit is to drink a few glasses of water before brushing your teeth. Okay, so this is something that I have started doing since I guess months now. I don't remember when I started doing it. It's been months, because the saliva in your mouth, the overnight saliva, should go inside your stomach, and you should not spit it out. So make sure you drink some glasses of water before you're brushing your teeth. Third one is deep meditation. Now before you say that you don't have time for that, 5 minutes is all that it takes. Okay, just 5 to 10 deep breaths will calm your mind, help your body, and it increases productivity. I have noticed it in myself. Just 5 to 10 deep breaths. Close your eyes, keep your smartphone away, your laptop away, and just focus on yourself, focus on the universe, and that's it. Point number 4 is green tea, or herbal tea as you may call it, that too empty stomach. You can just take a simple green tea, or on some days, that's what I do. On some days I add ginger, I add soft, I add even mulethi sometimes, and honey if you like, although I don't add honey because I'm used to that bitter taste of green tea, so I don't like adding those extra calories. But you can, if you are not able to drink that bitter tea. I know it's very bitter, बहुत कड़वी होती है, नहीं पी जाती काफ़ी लोगों से. And also try drinking it when it's lukewarm or hot. Okay, don't try to drink, just don't do that thing with people. Just leave it कि ठंडी होने दो, then we'll just gulp it down in one sip. No, drink it sip by sip, that too when it's hot or lukewarm. Okay, so ideally the first thing you eat in the morning should be protein. So even if you're having aloo ka parantha or something that has carbs in it, if you're having rice or something, please take a little bit of protein before that, because the first thing that should go in your body in the morning is protein. So take protein. You can take nuts, you can eat roasted chana. Roasted chana is also very available these days, or you can eat peanuts. They're all a great source of proteins, vegetarian protein, or if you're a non-vegetarian, you can go for your sources as well. Habit number 6 is to eat healthy. Now when I say eat healthy, most of the people's mind will automatically go to salads and soups and fruits. No baba, eating healthy means that you need to control your portion size, and you need to have diverse colors on your plate. Have a little bit of everything: rice, roti, dal, sabji, even salads, even fruit, even shakes. If you like soups, have a little bit of everything. Don't just go for roti and sabji every time, because your plate should have colors. Your plate should have all the nutrients that your body needs. Habit number 7 is to avoid having water with your meal. Okay, if you really want to have water, if you cannot do without it, take a little bit, just this much, that's it. What else you can do is drink water 35 to 45 minutes before the meal and after the meal, but don't drink it in between. So this is really going to help you, because it improves your digestion and improves your metabolism, and you will see difference in a few days, that your digestion will be better, and you won't be facing the problem of bloating as many people do. Point number 8 is to walk after a meal. Don't worry, you don't need to go for a full 1 mile walk. No, just walk for 2 to 3 minutes, or if you have time, why not for 10 minutes. after every meal, so that you don't have to do vigorous exercise to burn those calories. It will boost your metabolism itself if you will walk for 2 to 3 minutes or 5 to 10 if you can after eating the meal. But don't just start walking right after eating the meal, okay? Take a gap of a few minutes and then start walking. Habit number 9 is journaling. Now journaling can be very productive because you can schedule your task. If you want, you can make to-do list. For example, I schedule my shoot days, when I'm going to shoot, when I'm going to edit my videos. You can do that too with any of your tasks, or you can just scribble all your thoughts on a paper. You can even practice gratitude journaling. That's what I did for a while, and it really helps you because it reminds you all the things that you should be grateful for. So yes, practice gratitude journaling if you can, or you can even go for your weekly planner or your monthly planner and plan all your activities that you're going to do, because it will help you boost your productivity, and it will help you be disciplined actually. 10th is don't sit in a place for too long, or don't even stand in a place for too long, okay? Even if you're doing something, get up after. Even if you're studying, that's what happened with me when I was in my school. We can continue to study for long hours, and then weight issues, metabolism issues, digestion problems. So don't do that. Even if you're in college, even if you're in office, in school, doesn't matter. Just get up from your chair after an hour, or even after half an hour, I would say. Walk for a minute or two, then sit back again. Don't keep your position the same for long hours, because it will slow your metabolism, it will slow your digestion, and you can have weight related problems as well. So just stretch, do some stretching exercise, very simple ones. You can search them on the internet and do that. 11th, and the one I really enjoy myself, is reading books. Now I know many of you are not patient enough to read books, because I have met so many people who are like, we don't have that patience to read a book. Don't worry, read an article, read a news article, because reading will not only boost your vocabulary, you need vocabulary to be a good conversationalist, right? So it will not only boost your vocabulary, it will also develop your mind, your personality, and you can read self-help group books if you want, or you can go for fictions, you can go for YA novels. They're all very great, by the way. So you can just go and read them, just 5 to 10 minutes a day, or even 5 to 10 pages if you're super busy. That's okay, that will help you a lot. 5 to 10 pages a day is, I guess, you can do that, right? So just please keep in mind to read. Habit number 12, skincare or hair care. If you're going to be happy, then you have to keep your skin happy, and for that you need to provide all the care that it needs. Skincare doesn't have to be complicated. I just have a few steps, I guess 3 to 4 steps in my skincare, and you need to do it too. Just cleanse, moisturize, then apply a serum according to your skin type. Go for salicylic and niacinamide if it's oily or combination type, or if it has pores. Vitamin C, all the skin types need vitamin C. Go for vitamin C, and take care of your hair as well. Oiling, most people, what they do is they oil their hair every time they shampoo. Don't do that. Just once or twice a week is enough, I feel. So yes, keep your hair healthy. Oiling, detangle it every day at least once. Make sure you do that, because that will improve the blood circulation there. So yes, detangle your hair every day. And what else you can do is you can try hair mask. You can go for DIY hair mask if you want. I personally like the Mamaearth onion hair mask. You can go with that one as well. Point number 13, and the most important one, do anything that makes you happy. Is it listening to music, does that make you happy? Dancing, does that make you happy? Or is it playing games with others? Just do whatever that makes you feel happy, that what makes you feel relaxed, that calms your mind and helps you be calmer, more generous. I feel, do something that makes you happy, whatever it is, dancing, listening to music, hot showers, whatever, just go for it. Point number 14, and which really helped me change my total health game, is to finish your last meal or finish your dinner 2 to 3 hours before going to bed, because that will give your gut, your digestive system enough time to digest it, to digest the food better. So yeah. Also, if you're someone who doesn't, who struggle with sleeping good, you can try this hack, because this will actually help you sleep a lot better. That will help you sleep more calmly, more deeply, and you will wake up more refreshed and more relaxed. Point number 15, drink water. Drink water. If you don't like water, if you don't like drinking water, you can go for other, like herbal tea. You can go for herbal tea, or you can go for any other thing you like. Kuch bhi usme you can make shakes as well with less milk and more water. You can try that, or you can go for any other beverage you like that includes a lot of water, because you need to drink water. Your body needs water, at least, not much. Please don't go for excess water, because even that's harmful. So limit that to 7 to 8 glasses per day, or even 6 to 7 according to your needs, whatever you feel like. And if you forget drinking water, then you can put reminders on your phone, okay? So like after every 1 hour, just remind yourself to drink water, because that will really help flush out all the toxins your body have, and it does really impact your skin to a great level. I have noticed very large changes in my skin once I started drinking 8 glasses of water per day. So yeah, just drink water. That's it for today's video. If you want to receive more updates about me, my life, and about my content, you can follow me on Instagram. I will link the ID in the description. You can go check out my page. Also, do subscribe this channel, save this video. That's going to help you a lot, and share it as much as you can. Take care.